Echo, what's the time?
It's 5:38 p.m.
Hey YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a wake word on your Echo Show. There are 4 different commands you can use to summon the assistant. These are Echo, Computer and Amazon. I won't say the usual wake word in this video, so I don't trigger your device. This will work with the Amazon Echo Show, the Echo Show 5 and Echo Show 8. I've left the instructions in the descriptions below if you want to follow step by step. I have got lots of these tutorials on my channel, so please make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. The first thing you need to do is scroll from the top of the screen and select Settings. You can also open the settings by saying the wake word, followed by Open Settings. You should then scroll down to Device Options. Once you're on this screen, you should have an option that says wake word. Select this. You will now have 4 options on what you can choose from: Alexa, Amazon, Computer and Echo. Select the wake word that you want to use. A confirmation screen will then appear. Press yes and you're done. You should now try and summon the device by saying the new wake word.
Echo, what's the time?
It's 5:38 p.m.
If you want to change back again, all you have to do is follow the same process. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. It would also be great if you could let me know if there is anything else you would like me to do a video on. Thanks for watching. Bye.